Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to fix battery drain problem on iPhone 12. So, first go into Quick Settings and disable the Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, hotspot, mobile data, NFC. So, if you're not using this, of course, and even you can enable the airplane mode. Then lower the brightness level. Next, go into Settings and Battery. Wait for it to load and identify the usage of the battery, what apps use the most battery, and just use the app wisely or don't use it at all. That's it. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.